Hi guys, this is Reshma, and guys, to solve this question, we need to find dy by dx, right? Guys, note that both y and x both are function of t, right? If you like, when I write x is equal to sine 2t 1 plus cos 2t, you can see that on the right side we have all the terms of t. So we'll start by differentiating x and then y with respect to t. Okay, first let's differentiate x. So guys, we have here two functions. We can consider it two functions, sine 2t and 1 plus cos 2t as another function, and we'll use so we'll use product rule. This is the product rule, guys. So continuing, first we'll differentiate sine 2t equal into 1 plus cos 2t plus, now we'll differentiate the second function cos 2t by dt. Guys, we can select anyone as the first and second function. It depends fully on you. I just choose this one. Okay, so continuing, dx by dt. One sec. Differentiation of a sine 2 to is sine 2t is a into cos 2t into 2. Guys, we used chain rule for this. Okay, cos 2t. Cool. Now continuing, now we'll differentiate 1 plus cos 2t. So it will be cos, differentiation of sine is cos, and then 2 and a sine 2t. So continuing, you can write it as twice a cos 2t 1 plus cos 2t, right, minus twice a sine square 2t, because we have 2t, like 2t into 2 is 2t is sine square 2t, right? So now we can simplify further as taking like 2a common, and then it will be cos 2t plus cos square. I'm just like simplifying it, sine square 2t. Cool. Okay guys, so now we are differentiating y with respect to t. Okay, so again we will be using product rule. First we'll differentiate one function and then the next one. So 1 minus cos 2t plus, now 1 minus cos 2t. Now we are differentiating 1 minus cos 2t, and the second function will be as it is. Cool. So dy by dt, differentiation of cos 2t is, guys, minus sine 2t, right? And guys, we are using chain rule again. Okay, just for simplification, like understanding, I'm telling this. I guess if you can understand it, it's good. Okay, then differentiating the next one. First thing is minus is there, right, for cos, and differentiation of cos will be minus sine 2t into 2 whole into b cos 2t. So continuing, it is 2b sine 2t 1 minus cos, guys, negative, right, minus, so cos 2t, and here we have plus, sorry, we also have 2b in here, right, 2 into b, and it is sine 2t into cos 2t. So guys, let's just simplify it. Sine 2t we can take common, 2 is b, sine 2t we are taking common, and it will be minus 1 plus cos 2t, because minus is there for the first term, and the second term is cos 2t, so it can be written as twice b sine 2t twice cos 2t minus 1. So guys, continuing, dy by dx, guys, we can write as dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt, right? So guys, dy by dt, what we got, dy by dt was twice b sine 2t twice cos 2t minus 1 divided by dx by dt was twice a cos 2t plus cos square 2t minus sine square. Okay guys, now so the thing is that we can cancel 2 and 2, and we need to find dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4, right? At t is equal to pi by 4, the guys, the value of both the sine and, okay, let's substitute it before we proceed. So dy by dx at t pi by 4 is b divided by sine 2 into pi by 4 into twice of cos 2 into pi by 4 by this 2 is here, right? Okay, it is in bracket minus 1, and in the denominator we have cos 2 into pi by 4 divided by plus cos square 2 into pi by 4 minus sine square 2 into pi by 4, right guys? So now, so guys, if you see, it is it is like 2, it is pi by 2, right? All the terms have become pi by 2 because it was 2t, right? So, and as you know, do you want me to write? Okay, we can write that, but it's we know sine pi by 2 is 1, right? Let's just write like that, and cos pi by 2 is 0, so it will be 2 into, multiplication is here, 2 into 0 minus 1 divided by a cos pi by 2 is 0 plus 0 minus 1, right? So this will become minus b by a. Thank you.